Hey everybody, I'd like to welcome you once again to Moriah's Moves, and this week our mini Bible study verse comes from Luke 6:10, and it goes like this. He looked around at all of them, and then he said to the man, "Stretch out your hand." He did so, and his hand was completely restored. So this is an example of the power of Jesus. It's an example of faith, and it's an example of healing as well. Okay, all the time we're told we have to do things on our own. We have to rely on ourselves. Otherwise, then our lives are a complete failure. If we don't get things done in a certain amount of time, then we're not up to par with everybody else. But the truth of the matter is, when we let Jesus handle things, when we let him into a situation and cover everything like it's supposed to be, then nothing can take away that power. Nothing can treat us like a failure, because Jesus is a winner. He is the success that we have in our lives. It's nothing that we do. It's not how hard we work or whatever. It is simply Jesus in our lives. So we have to make it a point to stretch out our hand to Jesus. We have to come to him and be like, well, this is what we got going on. And he already knows what you got going on, by the way. But this is what I have going on. I'm giving it to you, Jesus. I'm stretching out my hand in faith to you. And when we do that, and when we come with a genuine heart to Jesus, then guess what? Everything will be restored. What we're looking for, what we're searching for, what we're desiring for, everything will be restored because of Jesus in our lives.
You are great, yes, you are Holy One. Walked upon the sea, raised the dead. You reign in majesty, mighty God. Everything written about you is great. You are great, yes, you are Holy One. Walked upon the sea, raised the dead. You reign in majesty, mighty God. Everything written about you is great. You are 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 great. Oh yeah. You are great. Say you are great. You are great. Say you are great. You are great. Everything, yeah. Everything about you is great. You are great.